Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tyla. If you're new here, tylauren on my social channels. I'm gonna leave them right here for y'all so you can follow me. I'm so excited because I just got back from a 2-week-long road trip and I had about 8,000 packages waiting for me. You can see them right behind me and some over here. And I wanted to do my first ever unboxing for you guys on here. And if you like them, let me know, comment below, and subscribe so that you can see more of my videos. Some of the stuff I think I actually bought, and some of the stuff I actually got gifted to me, so I'll let you guys know. But this is actually like something that I purchase like every single month. I'm on like a subscription for it. I've talked about it on my Instagram stories a million times. It's the Get Off Your Acid greens powder that I use every morning. I have really terrible acid reflux and terrible stomach issues, so this really helps aid digestion and it's amazing. Also got a re-up on my black seed oil vitamins. Maybe I'll do like a vitamin YouTube video to tell you guys because I take about like 12 a day, but this stuff is really good too. And next is from Onitsuka Tiger. Definitely I'm saying that wrong, but it's a really cute box. We hope you are safe and all is well. We created a gift pack which could potentially bring you a bit comfort and joy during your time at home. Really, really cute. Okay, let's see what it's about. Came with a little folder. Guys, my nails trash, so don't judge me. This is like a little press release, cozy socks, a little eye mask, ooh, a cute little mask, a cute little bag, that's Sherpa, and hand sanitizer, really cute. No, wait, room and fabric aroma spray, let's smell it. Minty. Next package I'm very excited about because it's from Kiehls. The Midnight Recovery Concentrate is everything to me. Also the Calendula Deep Cleansing Foam Face Wash. I always use this literally every day. Ooh, the Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum. And Love Oil for Lips and Glow Infusing Lip Treatment. Very excited for these two. Thank you, Kiehls. Next is LG Tone Free. I don't know what this is. LG Tone Free. Let's see. I love this. This is cute. Aloha NBA players, from all of us in our after school all-stars. Thank you for examples you are setting. You show us that our thoughts, beliefs, and voices matter. We believe in our own voices and right to be heard just like you. Thank you for listening to us and for hearing us. With love, Mylene. This is cute. These are headphones. This is cute. Tone-free headphones. This is cute. Next is a package from Billionaire Girls Club, which is really cute and it smells really good in here. tylauren, we hope you love our new collab with Jillian Evelyn. Can't wait to see how you rock it. Tag us. Really cute, really cute. I love these little stickers that they came with. Ladies Get Paid provides tools, resources, and community to help women negotiate for equal pay and power in the workplace. To get started, please enjoy a special discount code to redeem your first month of their video library subscription for free. Very cool. You need to get paid. Okay. Tatcha mask. I think it's like a little self-care and clothing package. So we got a Tatcha mask. We have the Milk and Honey by Ruby Kaur. Then we got some clothes. And we also have this candle, which I think is making this box smell so good. Soy candle, jasmine, sandalwood, Lulu's candles. Smells mad good. Next, we got some shoes from Superga. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Oh, these are cute. These are really cute. Ooh, I'm very excited for this. I've been seeing a lot of girls, other influencers work on this campaign for the new IT Cosmetics foundation. And this one's mine. Your skin but better. I'm so excited to try this. We have the Your Skin But Better setting spray, Heavenly Skin complexion brush, and the foundation. Very excited to try. I hope it's my color. So I'll let you guys know and I'll update you. But you gotta follow me on Instagram for that. This is dope. For National Black Business Month, we partnered with 3 influencers and their favorite Black-owned business for giveaways on all of our social channels. We wanted to share some of the prizes with you. The Perfect Earrings by Jam and Rico, the Ultimate Cleanse Set from Lunag, a silk-lined hat from Embellish, and our natural deodorant with 6 simple ingredients by each and every. So we have the lavender and lemon. We have this really dope silk-lined hat. I love Jam and Rico. They have really, really cute stuff. And let's check out these earrings. Oh, these are cute. Really cute. Really cute. Oh, this is, I don't know what you call this. Guys, what do you call this? Smells good, gets away the bad vibes. Palo Santo. Thank you card from, hi Tyler, I'm so excited for you to try Shiseido's new Shimmer Gel Gloss. I already know it's going to look gorgeous on you. Oh, thank you. Cute little Shiseido bag. And the Shimmer Gel Gloss. Let's open one. Let's see one, because then I'll be here forever. Oh, this is cute. Let's see. Oh, it's like a little squeeze tube. Looks cute. I feel it feels cute. I like. Okay, this is from my friend Vic, his brand called AM/PM Gallery that he does with his cousin. And I ordered a shirt because, you know, we gotta support small businesses. And it's really fire. Really cute. I'm excited to wear this. Next, we have, oh, this is from Urban. I didn't buy this. Oh, hi Ty, I wanted to send you some of Mario Badescu's favorites. I love Mario Badescu, y'all. So I'm excited for this. Cute little mini must-haves. Comes with a cleanser, toner, facial spray, drying lotion, which I use every day. Super collagen mask. Some hyaluronic dewy cream. Ooh, this is new. Hyaluronic dew drops. And then we have some lavender hand cream with vitamin E. Ooh, next is from the Letty Company. They represent Ray, and they have a really cute packaging. Vegan collagen boost. Some dietary supplements. Really cute packaging. And a bunch of different ones. One is for like immune, bloating, hormones, mood, enhance your metabolism, a bunch of good, cute stuff. It's a package from Valentino. Really great pack. This is Lady Gaga. Oh no, she's gonna go off and off and off and off. This is cute though. This is a perfume, I'm guessing with a collaboration with Lady Gaga. I don't need to smell this right now, but I want to. I'm very picky about perfume, y'all. Oh, this bottle is cute. Smells good. Oh, this smells good. I bought these glasses from Zeal, I don't know. I got convinced and influenced by one of those like Instagram advertisements, and I was just like, I'm addicted to sunglasses and glasses in general. So I got these. How cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't even see what I look like. I'm obsessed. Can I have your phone? Oh my God, and I can see because I have my prescription in them. Oh my God, they're so cute. They're so cute. They're giving me like Edna from The Incredibles, but they're so cute. And they were like 99 cents. From Liquid IV. Energy multiplier, 1 stick, multiple energy. Matcha, ginger and guaiza. I don't know if I'm saying that right. This is cool. Oh, these I'm obsessed with. They're Medipop masks and they're mad cute. Got these. Got these. Got these. Got these. Got these. Oh, this one says vote. How cute. I'm obsessed with these. And I actually have a coupon code, so I'm gonna put it in the description for you guys. Next is some goodies from Sakara Life. I'm actually doing it this week with them. These are like the sleep tea, the detox tea, and the digestive tea. This package is super exciting because it's from Instagram. Reels, recognize Reels. Okay, Instagram, I see you, you see me. Let's see. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Nothing moves without you. We are excited for you to share how you stay real on Instagram Reels. As one of the most innovative creators on our platform, we've created a kit delighting a variety of small Black-owned businesses with items honoring their unique crafts. By using your platform and voice, we can work together to spread the love and recognize the real ones in our community. How cute. Ooh, Pacifica. I love Pacifica, y'all. Some eye patches, a charcoal mask, the recovery eye cream, the coconut milk detangler, a little tie-dye bag, and it says TL for tylauren. Ty, I love your vibe. You seriously can rock every style. I hope you enjoy your custom Lenny tote. We handmade everything. We hand make everything in LA. Your support would mean the world if you could check us out. Really cute. Oh, and it comes with like little goodies in it. Roller bowls, perfume oil, and I showed you guys the bag, but it's really, really cute. Really cute. I should definitely show you the aftermath of what an unboxing looks like because my living room is a disaster now. But I hope you guys like this video. I know when I go to my parents' house, I'm gonna have a ton of more products to unbox because I was gone for so long. So if you do like unboxings, I can do a part 2 for y'all when I go there and get those packages. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video.